Welcome to the Windows Insider channel, and this is the update to what we are going to have in soon in Windows 10. So we got some 19H2 news today. A lot of people here on the channel are asking me when the next version of Windows is coming out. Well, we have a hint that September is still the time it's coming out first for insiders, because there is a version that is pushed to release preview that is going to be, that has the version number 1909. 1909 meaning September of 2019. So that means we are at 1909. We are okay. And we are, of course, moving ahead as we go. And basically, that's kind of good news. Basically, we are really seeing that we're moving on, and it's of course going to be a cumulative update. We also see that they have changed the build number. So the version number for the May 2019 update is, or the build number is 18362 dot something. Well, the next version of Windows 10 coming up this fall is going to be 18363 dot something. So they have bumped up just one increment, kind of really sounding like some kind of a service pack. Sorry, here there's a lot of noise. There's planes passing overhead. So anyways, this is of course giving us some interesting info about the next version. So we are about a month away from release to insiders. That means we are about a month and a half away from release to pretty much everybody. So we are on track, and they are keeping track of what's going to happen. Now, what's going to be in here? Not a lot of stuff, honestly. There's really very little new features because that's what they want to do. And it will come in a cumulative update, so no big update that takes a long time to install, and that's really tough. And once again, it's going to be a optional download update, so you won't have to install it if you don't want to. It's something that you don't have to absolutely do, honestly. So, basically, this is kind of interesting. Going to be an interesting thing happening. We now know that we're on track still for the next version of Windows 10. No official news as to what the naming will be, but we might think about it as the October 2019 update or something like that. If they keep the same naming system, I have heard here and there that October 2019 would be the name kind of officially already. So that's going to be interesting to see. So that's what's coming up. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.